Today we are going to take a look at some of the most amazing usable tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. 8th tool. Wolfcraft Pro and Easy Connector. Seventh tool. Ridgid strap wrenches. Sixth tool. Wera zyklop mini. Ratchets and screws in a craft form compact format. These drop forged full steel ratchets, zyklop mini 1 and 2, combine filigree design with incredible robustness. For particularly rapid screwdriving in confined working situations. Zyklop Mini 1 can be used whenever screwdriving with power tools or conventional hand tools is unfeasible for lack of space. Fifth tool. Festool impact screwdriver. The new TID 18 cordless impact screwdriver boasts a brushless and extremely powerful new generation ECTEC motor. The compact powerhouse with its extremely robust hammer mechanism has further advantages. For example, it is ready for unlimited, long-lasting use thanks to durable quality components. The compact design of the new cordless impact screwdriver enables you to work accurately and for longer without becoming tired, even in hard-to-reach areas. On top of that, the new TID 18 is fully covered thanks to the comprehensive services of Festool service. The wide range of services includes a 3-year warranty for the machine and battery packs. Fourth tool, Gearwrench bolt biter. Gearwrench presents Bolt Biter, the toughest extraction socket ever. Bolt Biter uses an innovative design of tapered flutes to drip any fastener, no matter how damaged. This revolutionary gripping design disengages from the fastener just as easily as it seeps into place, which means no more fighting to remove the socket and no more jam in your socket with a ruined fastening. Bolt Biter even works in both directions, so you can tighten and reuse specialty fasteners in a pinch. Nothing can stop bullfighters grab the most damaged fasteners with our minor-sized sockets, designed to hug fastener worn down below their original size. Traditional extraction sockets, dull over time, Bolt Biter her last 10 times longer than the competition under impact power and carries our lifetime warranty. Forge ahead with Bolt Biter. Third tool. All-Star 3-in-1 power cutting tool. Introducing Multi-Cut, the 3-in-1 cool, that's a precision slicer, wire cutter and utility knife all in one. Now cutting the really tough stuff is really simple. The secret is the mechanical action of its offset pivot point powered lane that creates superior torque and leverage for incredibly easy operation. Other tools just can't cut it. But even this 10,000-pound strength tow rope is no match for Multi-Cut. Multi-Cut has a titanium-coated wire cutter for wire and a range of gauges and sizes sliding adjustable base. And now it's a utility knife. The razor-sharp stainless steel blade, pure grip handles and an industrial steel chassis. Multi-Cut can take a beating and still make the cut. No matter how you slice it, Multi-Cut is the sharpest tool in the shed and the easiest to use. Extra blade store in the handle and the blade locks to store safely. It's the precision slicer, wire cutter and utility knife all in one. Second tool. Kansas Tools Sparkplug Pliers. First tool. The magic tacker. The magic tacker is the best way to drive a pin into any wall with just one touch. The tacker pin can hold up to 13 pounds and it can be covered with the tacker cap or the tacker hook for various uses. It can be used on any type of wood, plastic, between the tiles, and MDF. It is ideal for hanging frames, calendars, clock, coat hangers, ornaments, etc. We hope you like these fantastic tools. Do thumbs up the video and subscribe to the Top 5s HD so you can watch such informative videos regularly.